If you want to lower your cholesterol levels, make sure to add these 2 ingredients to your shopping cart the next time you go shopping to make this smoothie. Hello and welcome back to Shop Lista. Today I am going to be showing you the best smoothie I use to lower my cholesterol levels naturally. It only takes 2 ingredients. Make sure you consult with your doctor before consuming this smoothie. Without further ado, let's make this smoothie. The only 2 ingredients you need is papaya and oats. Papaya helps lower cholesterol because it has vitamin C, potassium, antioxidants, and fiber which helps keep the arteries healthy, which promotes blood flow. This increased circulation is known to reduce the cholesterol levels in the body that helps reduce the risk of heart diseases and stroke. Oatmeal contains soluble fiber, which reduces your low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, the bad cholesterol. Soluble fiber can reduce the absorption of cholesterol into your bloodstream. Drinking this smoothie does not just help with your cholesterol levels, but also with weight loss. Because both ingredients have fiber, it fills up your body quickly, then detoxifies and cleanses your body afterwards. The antioxidants in the papaya allow skin to repair itself and correct visible damage. Antioxidants, like vitamin C, can also stimulate collagen production, which is vital for youthful skin. Now let's blend this smoothie up and pour into cups. Now you can lower your cholesterol levels without having to use any medications. And even if you have normal cholesterol levels, you can still drink this if you are having trouble clearing your skin or detoxifying your body. This smoothie has so many benefits, and it's delicious too. Thanks so much for watching this video, and please make sure you subscribe down below for shopping tips to help your shopping list.